Friends, breaking news. The House of Representatives just passed a legislation that would replace the $600 stimulus check with a $2,000 stimulus check. If you're interested in those details of what happens next, watch this video. For those of you who are new to me, welcome to my channel. I'm Latoya McBean-Pompey, and I invite you to stick around and get more of my videos. Okay, so let's dive into it. The House of Representatives just passed the Cash Act. The Cash Act strikes out $600 out of the COVID relief bill that President Trump signed into law yesterday, which was Sunday evening, and it replaces that $600 with $2,000. And guys, I'm telling you, this is the easiest bill I've ever read. Here's what it says. It says the COVID-related Tax Relief Act of 2020 is amended by striking $600 each place it appears and inserting $2,000, and by striking $1,200 each place it appears and inserting $4,000. Now, this bill was passed again by supermajority, and so the next step is for the Senate to act. We know that the Senate is controlled by Republicans, and so the question is, what are they going to do with this? Are they going to go on record as voting against a $2,000 stimulus check that the leader of their party, President Trump, wants, and that their constituents want as well? And so we're going to watch to see what the Senate does with this. Now, the Treasury Department certainly was gearing up to begin making those deposits of $600 or $1,200 starting by the end of this week, from what I heard, what I learned today in the news, and then for a deposit next week, starting January 4th. So we're going to see how this shakes out, right? The government has to act quite swiftly. The Senate, I should say, has to act quite swiftly. Again, this is major because people, many of us were saying, well, $600 is really not enough. And I've been getting some comments. Folks have been commenting saying they're very disappointed by this $600 or $1,200. That's just simply not enough. And I completely agree with you. Okay. Yes, we can do much better than this. We can do better than that, right? Than $600. But let's see how this shakes out. And then also what's happening live right now. What's happening now, as a matter of fact, is the House is voting to override the Trump's veto of the NDAA bill, the defense spending bill. And that's where they're at right now. And it looks like they will get that supermajority vote to do that override, which will be the first one that they've done under the Trump administration. And so I'm watching that issue as well. Spread this, share this video with other people, stay plugged in. I'll be back in front of you once the Senate acts on this bill, because, this is major. We were thinking that, well, if they didn't get supermajority today, certainly by the end of this week, they would bring it back for vote on the House floor, and a simple majority is all that would be necessary at that point to pass this. But that's none of that happened. None of that happened because today they got super majority vote on this measure. And so that's pretty major. So guys, let me know your thoughts below. Let me hear what questions you may have. But this is the latest news with respect to the stimulus check. We're now up to $2,000. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.